Right, you can hear the knocking slightly. Just a tick over. But it's more, that's with the clutching, still knocking. It's more under load where you can hear it. Full revs, you can't hear it so much, it's just gentle acceleration like that where it's the loudest. That's foot off the accelerator. That's foot back on the accelerator. Just slight throttle is when it's at its worst. Metallic, it's like a metallic hollow knocking. Engine still seems to run fine. Power seems fine. As I say, when you're under full throttle like that, you can't hear it so much, but that's probably just because of the engine noise. Take my foot off the throttle a bit and just give it a bit of gentle acceleration. Approaching Perranporth, just at the top of the hill, the Haven Park. I'll stop in the beginning of the Haven camp and pop the bonnet. You can have a listen from there, see what you think. See, doesn't sound too bad on tick over at all. audible, but doesn't sound too bad from under there. There we go, another beautiful day in Cornwall.